Hi everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted some stair treads. I love these. This is such a great option if you don't want to put carpet on your stairs, but you want something down on them. These are super soft. They're no pile. Look at that. They're just sort of like flat and soft, very felt-like touch to them. This is the back. It is covered with a piece of plastic. You are going to remove the plastic, and then you can see right here, it's tacky. I'm not going to call it sticky. It is tacky. This is not going to cause any problems for your stairs at all. You can remove these whenever you want, but this is going to keep them in place and where you want them. This is how easy they are to put down. So you want to make sure that you clean your stairs first. You're going to take this off and then just put it down. And that's it. Okay, let's put them all down and see what they look like. Okay, these stair treads are just amazing. They make your home cozy and they reduce noise, and they just add a really beautiful touch of sophistication and interest to your space. These are reusable, they are washable, you can vacuum them. They are just incredible, and they are non-slip. You get a pack of 15, and again, I know I keep saying it, peel and stick. They are so easy to put down. They make it padded and quieter. I'm loving them. Definitely check these out. They are incredible.